Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case law given by Guwahati High Court. The High Court says it is highly arbitrary for the government to issue restrictions to the people not to stir out from the houses if they are not vaccinated. Even if you are vaccinated for the first time, yes, you can leave the house. If you are not vaccinated, definitely you cannot leave the house. This is the restriction made by the government of Mizoram. And Guwahati High Court, while disposing in the, of course, Sumoto case, INRI Dintar Incident, Aizawl versus State of Mizoram and 11 others, Aizawl. So, this judgment was given by the two judges bench of Guwahati High Court. Their names are peculiar names, that's why better to read their names. Justice Michael Jotian Khum and Justice Nelson Silo. Right, so they observed that the restriction placed on the unvaccinated persons, debarring them from going out. Maybe so many reasons for going out, so thereby arresting them in the house. It is violatory, arbitrary and illegal under Articles 14 and 21 of the Indian Penal Code. Of the Constitution of India. This judgment was given on 4th July 2021. So the justices observed that there can be any number of reasons for a person to leave the house. You may be knowing, for bringing the eatables or the essential commodities or essential supplies like foodstuff. Second is medicine. Third one is attending to the near and dear relatives. If something happens, some person dies. If somebody falls sick, you have to go and call on them. So, but however, the clause, it is clause number 5, subclause 2. So, which says that, which literally puts them in the house arrest, is violative of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Because the persons who are given the first dose of vaccine, they are allowed to go out. So, please remember, even though the persons are vaccinated for the first time, there is no guarantee that they will not be affected with COVID. We have seen so many occasions. Even after 2 vaccinations also, some people are getting affected. So, it is highly discriminatory. Second point is, normally there may be so many reasons for the persons not to get vaccinated. Because number one, out of fear. Even my cousin-in-law and his wife, after retirement, very recently they retired, after retirement also, they are not venturing to go for vaccine. So vaccination is there. You may have been seeing in Hong Kong, thousands of vials of the vaccine, they have been damaged or they have been thrown out because people did not go for the vaccination. Even if you go to Araku Valley area, yes, people are afraid. Even these people have to go to the forest, have to go to the fields and get them vaccinated. That is the situation. So vaccination is voluntary. No doubt you can make it compulsory, but not to this extent. So here the court says there is no guarantee that the vaccinated persons of first dose cannot be infected with the coronavirus. Right? So this is what I told you. Right? Normally, there is the government of Mizoram. It has given a standard operating procedure. So, according to this procedure, if anybody is not vaccinated, they cannot stir out or move out of the house. Even they cannot go to the shop. They cannot go for their eking out their for livelihood also. Is it not? All of them are not well-to-do people. There may be so many people. So, due to the above reasons, the court found that Clause 6.1 and 6.5 of the SOP are violative of Article 15, equality, because first time dose allowed, second even not vaccinated. This is equal. This is discussed in Article 14. That means one person is vaccinated for the first time, he can go out. If the person is not vaccinated, he cannot come out. This is equality is not there. So please remember the requirement, Article 19(6), restriction made, that is general restriction, reasonable restriction. You should be made in the form of a law and not by way of the executive instructions. So if at all you say like that, it should be in the shape of law. So this is what the court has said. Anyway, it's a good decision because there may be so many reasons for non-vaccination under that. So you have to tell them only, definitely encourage them or make so much of publicity that they should get vaccinated. And secondly, they have to maintain the so-called social distance, physical distance, then the so-called wearing of the mask, and also the third point, sanitization each and every time. These precautions should be taken, they have to be encouraged, but you cannot curtail their movements. It is curtailing movements is now violent, it has become violent of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. The court has come down heavily on the administration of so-called Mizoram government. So such are the incidents. Now and then such incidents do happen. So suppose, okay, with this we have to close. But now my point is, suppose if you want to go to Canada, if you want to go to America, is it not necessary for you to get vaccinated? 100% yes. Even if you are vaccinated with the Covaxin, you are not being allowed. That problem is also there. Of course, this is an international problem. So better than that, as far as our local things are concerned, even if the government wants, yes, they can impose the reasonable restrictions, but it should be in the form of law as stated by the court. So if at all you find time, please go to the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.